तेलंगाना में 12 सितंबर यानी आज पालामुरू रंगारेड्डी लिफ्ट इरिगेशन स्कीम का हुआ इफ्तिताह। तेलंगाना 16 सितंबर यानी आज पालामुरू रंगारेड्डी लिफ्ट इरिगेशन स्कीम PRLIS का इफ्तिताह आज अपने तरक्की के सफर में एक नया बाब लिख चुका है। इस मौके पर एक बड़ा जलसा आम भी मुनक़िद किया गया। 35,000 करोड़ रुपए के तखमीना लागत से तामीर किया गया ये इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट जो 12.3 लाख एकड़ ज़री अराजी को आपाशी का पानी फराहम करके 1,200 से ज्यादा देहातों को पीने के पानी की फराहमी और मुकम्मल होने पर सनती जरूरियात को पूरा करके जुनूबी तेलंगाना के मुस्तकबिल को नई शक्ल दे दिया है। चीफ मिनिस्टर के दिमाग की इख्तिरा PRLIS कालेश्वरम लिफ्ट इरिगेशन स्कीम की कामयाबी पर अमल पैरा है, जिसे शुमाली तेलंगाना की लाइफलाइन समझा जाता है। हुक्काम पहले ही एक कामयाब ड्राई रन कर चुके हैं, जबकि लिफ्टों और पंप हाउस की गीली रोड 16 सितंबर यानी आज मुकर्रर हुई। अगरचे चीफ मिनिस्टर ने 2015 में PRLIS का संगे बुनियाद रखा था, लेकिन आंध्र प्रदेश हुकूमत के एतराजात, नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल NGT में मुकदमात और मरकज से मंजूरियों में ताखीर समेत मुख्तलिफ रुकावटों की वजह से इसे मुकम्मल नहीं किया जा सका। ताहम रियासती हुकूमत ने अपनी इस्तेकामत के जरिए इस मंसूबे को महसूस किया और जो आज जिसका इफ्तिताह अमल में लाया गया।
A landmark event in the irrigation history of Telangana. A momentous occasion of Krishna waters reaching the Palamuru region. Taken up in right earnest and on a war footing, the Palamuru Rangareddy project was completed in a record time. Subjected to discrimination and suppression, Mahbubnagar district in the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh has turned into a drought-prone area devoid of water resources. In terms of irrigable area, Palamuru occupies top position in the state. The governments of undivided AP announced some lifts, bowing to the demands of Telangana movement. They turned out to be mere lip service. The capacity of the lifts was meager, and even those projects didn't see the light of the day until the Telangana state was formed. The capacity of the operational lifts in the Krishna basin never touched even half a TMC. In undivided AP, when local farmers demanded, IDC lifts were constructed on tanks and rivulets to lift the flood water during the rainy season. However, these lifts cater to just 5 to 10,000 acres. The electricity charges for running the lifts were also imposed on the farmers.
హరిహర బ్రహ్మాదులు అడ్డమచ్చిన నీ తాత జేజమ్మలు అడ్డమచ్చిన మీ కండ్ల ముందే పాలమూరు ప్రాజెక్టు కట్టి చూపిస్తానని మనం చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. ఇదే శపథం ఈరోజు పాలమూరులో నీ కండ్ల ముందే పాలమూరు ప్రాజెక్టు కట్టి ఇక్కడ లక్షల ఎకరాల సాగులోకి తీసుకొచ్చి చూపిస్తాం.
Telangana government envisioned the prestigious Palamuru Rangareddy lift irrigation scheme to serve the irrigation and drinking water needs of Mahbubnagar, Rangareddy, Nalgonda, Narayanpet, Vikarabad and Nagar Karnool districts. On the lines of the world's largest lift irrigation project, Kaleshwaram, another mammoth irrigation project, the Palamuru Rangareddy project has been completed. With tunnels, surge pools, reservoirs, heavy-duty pumps, large substations, the project with several salient features has been expeditiously taken up and the trial run has been successfully completed. The Palamuru Rangareddy lift irrigation project is built to irrigate 12.3 lakh acres of land. The lift scheme includes tunnels of several kilometers long and has many unique features when compared to the Kaleshwaram project. Pump house and surge pool in Narlapur, 35 heavy-duty motors, each with a capacity of 145 megawatts, 400 kV substations. Edula surge pool, which is all set to become Asia's largest surge pool, has a width of 31 meters and length of 360 meters. In a first, 9 heavy-duty pumps are installed in 3 pump houses, while Kaleshwaram project's Gayatri pump house lifted water to 118 meters. Palamuru Rangareddy's Edula pump house lifts water to a height of 124 meters. Just as the mythological Bhagirath brought water from the heavens to earth. CM KCR has lifted the river water, which otherwise would drain into the sea, to upland regions, and this transformed the parched lands of Palamuru into lush green fields.